Today I will be making two easy and simple potato recipes. Firstly, oven baked potato fries and then sweet potato slices. Okay, so let's get started. For the baked potatoes, I'll be using all-rounder. Cut them in thin slices. Then soak them in water for about 10 minutes. After soaking, dry them properly using a clean dishcloth. Now transfer the potatoes to a baking tray lined with baking paper. Okay, now add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add a teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, some ground black pepper and cayenne pepper. Mix them all up, coating each potato, trying to keep them separated. Finally, pop them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes, taking them out halfway through to turn the potatoes over. So while the potatoes are in the oven, I'm going to make a dipping sauce. That's 3 tablespoons of a vegan mayo and then a tablespoon of sriracha sauce. Then mix them very well and that's it, all done. The potatoes are done once they look crispy brown. Add some sea salt and sesame seeds for crunchiness, and then add some scallions. And finally, drizzle your potatoes with sriracha sauce. That's it, your easy and simple oven-baked potato fries. Now, for the sweet potato slices, I'll be using 2 medium-sized potatoes. Cut the potatoes into small slices. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Now add 2 teaspoons of golden syrup. Then add 2 teaspoons of miso tahini dressing. Mix it all up to make the marinade. Pop the potato slices on top. Add a bit of grated ginger. I transferred the potatoes to a bigger bowl so I can coat them with the marinade. Now carefully position the potatoes onto a baking tray lined with baking paper. Okay, so now you can put the potatoes into the oven at about 150 degrees Celsius up to 45 minutes. Make sure to take them out halfway to turn them over. And in the meantime, I'll be making the dipping sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of a vegan mayo, then 1 tablespoon of a miso tahini dressing, followed by 2 teaspoons of water, and lastly 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Give it a good mix and it's all done. Once the potatoes are golden brown, they're ready. You can add some finely cut scallions and drizzle the potatoes with the dipping sauce. There you have it, your sweet potato slices. Like it? Watch my new cooking series where I show off my culinary skills making healthy meals, high in protein, non-greasy, gluten and lactose free.